Hi all, welcome back to my channel. As I said you yesterday that I will be explaining in upcoming videos about what is source system and how we will be getting data or input files from the client or data team and how we will be accessing those files and how it will be loading into the time tables. So I will explain you by showing few examples. Like if you can consider here FileZilla is nothing but file transfer protocol. So here what we are doing, like we have here host name, username, password, and port. So here what clients or data team will do, they will post raw input files to this server. So they will be having host name, username, password, and port, and they will connect to that server and they will post input files like raw data to this server. So once they processed or once they published those raw data input files to this server, here what we will be doing, ETL process, what will be doing, it will connect to this ETL, it will be connecting to this server and it will loading or downloading that file, and what it will be doing, it will extracting data as it is to the temp tables without any filtration. So now I will tell you, here you can consider this customer file. So this customer file is published by the clients or posted by the clients or data team to this FTP server. So here what we will be doing, if you consider this customer file is present this side, like clients are posted, and what we are doing, we are loading, and this is that XML Excel file or CSV file. This is the file, and these file data without any filtrations we are loading into the temp tables. Example, I will show you that this is SSMS. SSMS is nothing but Microsoft SQL Server. So here we are having the databases like target, update, and change as well. So here what we are doing, the data which is there in the CSV file, we are loading as it is to the temp tables. So I have created here databases and I have loaded the data. I didn't loaded the data, just I created some a few data. So because I don't have any ETL, SSIS packages tools software to run and load the data. So if you see here, we have temp table. The data which is there in this Excel file, we are loading that data into this temp table. So after this process, what ETL process will do, according to the business rules or business logic, according to the business rules or business logic, the data will clean and it will cleanse, it will transform according to the business rules. This data will transform and this data will load into the update DB of main table. So I will be explaining these two queries at once. You can see here, this is the temp table data. After the filtration, the data will be stored into the main table of update database. So once the data is loaded into the main table of update database, again the same data will load into the target as well, because second what happened, if you see here, just yeah. And here, yeah, you see here, and this is the what I told you. Yeah, see. Once the data is loaded into the update data of main table, again in ETL process, this data will load into the target as well. Because in update database, the data, if the data frequency every day, like frequently data loading is happening, then the existing data will be truncate and load. It will truncate and load, truncate and load. So because of that, we are loading the data which is there in the main table of update database. We are loading as it is to the target database. So once the data is loaded into the target database, it will generate one output file, and that output file we will be sharing it to the like downstream clients. Like you can consider they will be applying that output file in Power BI, Snowflake, etc. for their testing. So this is the process of ETL. This is the process of ETL.